team's protecting me, the sightlines are just bad.
Yeah, okay. That's fair. And I agree with that as well. So what would you feel more on second?
I can just go McCree.
What about not McCree? I mean, if they have like a Pharah, I'm all down for McCree. But I feel like a Tracer or something would get more value.
Okay, I can trace you.
Like being distracting in the back line or something.
Yeah, I got you.
Because I think that's something that we struggle with.
Do
like,
what their Hanzo did to us.
Okay, exactly.
Please.
Because if there's a Hanzo on our right, a Pharah in the sky, and like the tanks are on the ground and stuff, we don't know where to look.
Yeah.
And if we have a
I'm
Tracer,
gonna try to deal with the Hanzo, but he's getting better shots than me.
Nah,
so.
nah, dude, you're better than him. Don't even listen to anything you're saying right now. You're better than him. Just play like. That's all you gotta do. Just release on the head. Don't click the head. Release on the head. I have no idea how to play Hanzo.
Dude, I would.
Okay, same place.
Okay, where are we holding?
Right here.
Alright.
As in on the right. You guys can look for like early picks or something on the high ground, but don't.
Yeah, I might do.
Yeah, as soon as you get pressured, Bagel, you need to drop back. I'm not gonna put myself in that position to save you.
Yeah.
Oh, the grapple shot. Oh.
Bagel, you let us know what they're running here.
Oh, there's a Widow.
They have
Widow and a Hanzo, I think.
Okay.
Okay, what is looking main right
Widow's
now?
Widow's half.
Oh, you have no shield? Just play behind shield. Make sure we're playing behind shield.
Yeah.
Lucky, we're saving hook for oh, they have
They're not.
Zarya, she used personal.
Okay.
They're going left.
Back up,
oh,
back
no,
up,
they're
back
pushing.
up, back up, back up, back side of point. Yep.
I'm sucking here. I'm sucking. Big suck.
There's a widow peeking right side. Widow
Big
peeking
suck,
right
big
side.
suck.
Doomfist in.
Doom plus 1 HP.
You're on dead.
Oh, I'm dead.
Okay.
That was a nice nade.
Can you raise your Ana behind
No,
Crit?
we're out,
Both
we're out.
supports dead, both supports dead.
We're out.
Widow, what the fuck? Their DPS are running
Don't
something.
worry about it. We don't talk about it during game, okay? Don't talk about it. Okay, we're all gonna get a spawn here. Lucky didn't get a spawn. Let's back off.
You're 1 HP. Let's group up.
Try and take high ground here.
Make sure we call out their flankers
They have a
as soon
Zarya
as you see
high
them.
ground.
Yeah, we can pressure
There's a lot of them high ground.
Don't worry,
There's like 3 at least. Oh, they're Widow's high ground as well.
I can't see you, minions. I can't.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm fine.
Where's their widow? The widow's on top. The widow's on top of the
And she's
high.
on the tank. She's on the tank.
I'm sucking Ryan back. Okay.
Oh, Ty's got.
Do we need a sub?
No, that's how my game crashed.
Oh,
Oh.
okay.
My internet's better, but my game's not.
We have to communicate shield health with the cooldown a little bit more.
No,
'Cause,
he's
like,
good. His game crashed.
I was holding high ground and like your shield got broken and like I didn't know.
Why can't I?
I mean, you can see it too, though. I mean, I'll call it out better, but
Well, I mean, like I can drop or like instead of feeding, I right now fed 100 or probably more. So like I feed a little bit, or if I'm low and I don't know, it just would help to like keep us together.
Holding this position here, I feel like this is an awkward angle for our snipers. Like this.
yeah, we were just there to contest the tank.
Okay.
Don't worry
Okay.
about it.
Okay. Remember, this comp is like all about enabling your snipers. Just.
Yeah, we're gonna try and hold high ground over them as long as possible. We can't like take a front line engage. We have to keep playing, ring around the rosy with them. Never let the tanks catch our tanks. And that's really, really difficult when they have a Lucian. We don't. So high ground is the way to do it.
You guys see the widow on crane? On the crane? I don't know what that's called.
It's tank, yeah.
It's a tank.
Oh, I don't.
It's a
Cannon.
rail
I lack
It's
the
I heard it called
concentration.
cannon.
It's like a futuristic tank.
It's a StarCraft tank. It's a siege tank.
It's essentially a crane.
Okay.
Alright, let's go, boys.
Let's
Alright.
go. Okay, so we're down a healer here because Rogue had to be subbed in.
Yeah, we're back. We're still
We're
holding
back.
high ground here. I think once we get it off.
We can pull this widow.
Oh crap, I'm not.
Zarya's
Come on, come on.
Oh, I need a
Widow's
heal.
still on
They
crane.
have
Widow's
sights
still on
there.
Yeah, they're
Sights.
side.
He's dead.
Nice.
Oh,
Okay, they
wow.
Try and break Ryan's shield here. Pressure. I'm dropping.
I'm with our tanks here because they need heals here.
Okay. I'm pulling. Big pull.
Nice.
Shields down.
Oh,
Vale, you're
do
gonna
high
have to
ground. Do high ground.
Oh.
Zarya.
Wait, Doom's on high, yeah.
Come on.
I'm still holding.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm backing up here.
Yep.
We can heal.
Watch out, Widow's probably back.
I'm back. I'm back.
Oh, I'm shattered. They
Okay,
They
Shit.
Run one.
It's okay.
Winnable, we have spawns.
I'm feeding Zarya.
Oh, Widow's back mid.
Can we touch?
No, we can't. We back up. Let's go McCree here.
We need to deal with the Zarya. She's just holding W into us.
I got bad spawn,
We
I
need-
think. I got bad spawn.
We need to swap to Lucio after Val.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I go Tracer, right?
You can go Tracer, yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna drift super
Oh,
short.
Widow's peeking the.
Widow's
That's
Widow's
what that site.
top main. Widow's top main.
Oh, that was say that is. Hey, tell me when you have pull.
I'm sucking. Sorry.
I'm gonna set that up. Okay,
Okay,
I should have gotten closer. My bad.
Sorry, right side half.
Yeah,
Sorry, right side half. I'm sorry,
Widow's top right,
Oh,
Widow's
Widow
top right.
top right.
Oh, sorry, side charge.
Okay, I'm dying on car here.
Dying on
car.
car? I'm
think
gonna
Widow
Valk.
can touch that.
Okay, I'm kidding. I'm just. No, I'm gonna play something that I can play like. The
Go
HUD
ahead.
isn't working for me. I need to play something that I know I'm gonna be able to play decent.
There's a Zarya
I'm
close.
gonna Valk for touch here. I'm Valking.
Okay, Widow's
Okay,
picking.
okay.
Let's touch cart. Oh. It's
Oh, that's
okay.
not
Wait,
good.
I can touch.
Yep. Oh, nice
I
try.
can.
Nice try.
Yeah, we can.
Do we want to try keeping the Widow for third? Just because she pretty much went uncontested and popped off.
Yeah, I mean,
If you think that's the right call, then yeah.
Yeah, okay.
so she was looking down mid, and we could have just behind the there.
Wait, what do we? Wait.
Oh, we just go double snipers again, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Double sniper. Try. Okay, this is gonna. If they have Ryan or Orisa here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and break their shields. Like pour Storm Arrow, all your Orisa shots, all the hog shots into the shield, just to try and break it. Because I think that's something that, I mean, if they can't push on us, Ryan, especially Ryan, like Ryan Zarya, which they played last time, like if they have a broken shield and they don't have, like, bubble only lasts for so long, and then we either get a free haul hook, or we can pick someone in their backline, and our snipers have more sight lines here. And it gives them pressure enough so that they can back off. And if Orisa, it's kind of the same thing. Alright, we're just gonna we're gonna be so focused on breaking shield. It's a game.
Alright.
Okay.
Break shield.
Yep.
I'm on it.
Watch out for a Widow grapple shot.
Yeah, I'm shielding door really poorly.
Alright, let's see.
The grapple.
Where is it? Where is it?
Just don't click a shot.
Okay, let's look what they got. They have Orisa?
There's a hog.
Okay, wait, I'm putting shield up far.
They have a
May.
May.
Even May.
Shielding now. Shield half.
Tell me
Shield
if you
half.
see a Widow.
shield half.
Sim.
No widow, no widow.
Okay, good.
Oh, great.
Running
Okay.
May,
Now?
May
They
Symmetra.
have no halt hook. Okay. I'm shielding now. Break the shield. Shield's half. Shield's down.
I'm fucking you, minions.
I'm fortifying.
We're in
here.
whole hook range.
Halt hooking.
Look
Now.
for.
Symmetra dead.
Big. Breaking shield. I'm hooked.
Fucking minions.
Wall.
Back
Okay,
up well.
they have no wall.
well.
As soon as we do this,
Yeah.
we'll push hard. Okay. Shield's down. Sucking above. It's a big suck. I sucked
Yep.
everyone. Orisa.
Immortality field on top. Just ignore the emo field. Oh, help
Oh, I got hooked.
You're
Nice.
good.
Thank you
You're
for the
good.
heals. Thank you for the heals.
I'm sucking main. I'm sucking
You guys
main.
are.
You're walled. You're
You
walled.
guys are walled.
I'm good. Help our supports.
Focus off.
Okay, we're out.
Yeah. Bro, try and play further back.
Oh,
Like, you
this
have
one.
a great sight line here.
She's dead.
You play
There's
so
no
far
rush.
back.
I don't think.
We're out, Vega.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I'm playing too close.
Let's get another headshot real quick.
Oh, I missed the red.
He was standing still. Oh,
Alright, they probably have May ult here.
They've sim wall. Definitely sim wall. I have no shield. Shield's down. Bagel, you're a little up. Okay, I'm putting shield down. We're farming shield. We're breaking shield. We're breaking shield. We're breaking shield. We're breaking shield. I have no shield.
I'm gonna go safe.
I'm gonna Valk once we start.
Bagel,
Like,
call your
2
pull.
seconds. 2 seconds.
If you, all right.
2 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, break their shield. I'm sucking
Oh,
above
we're-
their
oh,
shield.
we're not
Mace
down.
top left, mace top left.
That's,
Shield.
that's not good of me.
Hog. Can we purple the hog? They have no suck. They have no suck.
You have rose, Max.
no.
I
I
have
can't.
shield down now. I'm sucking left side.
Yep. Get this hog.
Hog.
All right,
Yeah, break their shield,
back
break
up
their-
around
back
this
up,
corner
back
for a
up, back
second.
up,
Back up around this
back up.
corner for a second.
That was.
We have
I got
advantage.
him away from this.
Big dragons. It's the big dragons. Break
Okay,
so much
I'm
space.
Valking in
sucking
here.
above. 3, 2, now. Sucking now.
Oh,
Wall.
I'm resing.
This is winnable.
I'm resing.
We can nano hog. We can nano whole hog here.
Reese
Oh, wrist is low. Wrist is low.
Left side. let's keep
Symmetra's
it-
right side. Symmetra's flanking right side.
Oh,
Nice!
Kill field. I'm with you, Lucky. I'm with you. Break supercharger.
Get the turrets. Turrets right side. Turrets right side. Same turret.
Oh
same
no, the
turret.
turret. Oh,
Pocket lucky. Hog.
okay,
hog,
Sim's dead. Sim's dead.
Hog.
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 I have res in 4. I have 3.
Hold on.
We're chill.
We
We're
don't
chill.
need
We're
it,
chill.
we
We're
don't.
chill.
Great job, guys. Okay, what did they use?
Okay.
May ult? Baptiste
Swap
ult? Did they Valk?
No.
Did they hog ult?
They have widow now.
They did not.
Alright.
You know.
Widow's on top right, Rich.
We're at
Bap
hook
is,
range.
Bap is on.
I'm not there yet.
Someone's peeking
floor.
already.
Do not poke.
Bap is low.
Don't
We can kill field.
Don't peek.
Hog's in right side on Mega.
Okay.
Keep in mind, we want to stay
Stop it.
out of hook range until we're ready to engage.
Break shield. They have no shield. I'm pushing up a little bit here. Okay, I'm sucking above shield. Hog.
Up lucky, nice.
Big wall.
Bagel,
I
keep
need a
backing
block.
up, I can heal you.
Okay, I'm putting shield up and okay, break the shield. I'm sucking above shield now.
I'm helping you, Lucky. I'm halfway to Valk here.
Where's the
Oh,
half?
you guys are
Half?
walled.
Half?
You guys are walled. I'm breaking wall.
Widow's
Oh,
behind
we're
your
out,
shield.
we're out, we're out.
Yeah, we're
Okay.
definitely out there. Thanks for heals.
Yeah. We're gonna have Valk soon. They're probably gonna have Baptiste wall here.
I have dragons
Possibly
here.
Valk and Supercharger.
Okay, we'll engage with Hans Wall.
Pull.
Yep.
Let's do pull
Yeah,
dragons.
Where's Widow?
Widow's on that tank.
Okay.
I can body block for you in a
Where
second.
did you die,
I'm gonna
Bagel?
try
I can't see your body.
I'm
I'm
gonna.
up on the where Hog
Oh,
is.
I fucked it up. Can you peek me, get Lucky?
I respawn really.
Okay.
It's fine.
Yeah, help minions.
No whole hook.
Let's wait for our Widow here. We want our
back, I'm
snipers to get value here. Like they get picks.
Widow can see you up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. She went for a jump. She has no grapple.
Okay, we're here. Okay, let's
Yeah.
engage with dragons.
I know.
Call your pull.
Okay, I pull in 3, 2. Rip it first. Go.
All right.
Now.
Go.
Bap.
Widow has sights
Oh,
up.
the field. Get the field. Get the field.
What did it?
Oh, that's not
Back
good.
up.
Val.
I can't.
No, I'm Valking.
Mercy.
We're still in.
It's winnable.
No, it's not winnable.
It's winnable. We have respawns.
It's just your Mercy and your odds up.
They have no heals right now, and they're Widow's
Okay,
dead.
I'm pocketing
Okay,
you
Okay,
with.
This maze
She was
one.
coming down main. I'm your supercharge as soon as I get in there. Okay. Your supercharge.
This Roadhog's pushed up.
Hog.
Push him.
Hog's out.
Hog's dead. Hog's dead. Hog's dead.
Bring shield. Arissa.
Oh, Widow's
Widow,
left side.
oh,
Widow
wait.
left.
Arissa.
Rissa.
Yeah, nice.
Bagel, can you peek me?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm slept. On a main.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Oh, where's the Widow? She shot me.
Top for Widow.
Yeah, she's up top.
Sucking Widow top.
Big.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay, I'm
Good
pushing.
call.
I'm pushing up with this. We're gonna use Nano. We're gonna use whole hog.
Oh, I need this.
On a main. Someone's high ground. Left side. Pulling. Hog.
Hogs. Okay. Minions, call your
There's a
pull.
May high ground.
I got
We're gonna
dragons
choose
again.
one
If you want to call your
Oh,
pull.
May's top right.
What is
May's top right.
Main in 3. Now.
Oh, they.
May's
No,
on top of
but-
us. May's on top of us.
Hogs one. Hogs dead.
May.
I cannot hit. Okay, we're good. Mace dead. I can hit a shot. I can hit a shot.
Lucio's.
I'm asleep.
Widow's 1 HP. Widow's 1.
Pull.
They use pull. We're purple here. We're purple. Nice.
Big.
Break shield. Break shield. Will, you're like.
What
I'm gonna
is that?
Valk
What is
here.
that? We're good. We're chilly.
Sucking hog. Anti-hog, we need to anti-hog, we need to anti-hog, we need to anti-hog. Nice. Arissa. Echo. Arissa.
On a half,
We have
on a
a May.
half.
Be careful, the May. Be careful, the May.
On a no nade.
Suck them all.
That's not good. That's not good.
Arissa one still.
Oh, Trace is low in the room. I'm dead.
Not winnable, we're out.
It's gate. That's cape.
Oh, last fight, I guess.
Yeah.